After a health scare, Jamie Foxx is getting back to being himself, a source claims. The prognosis for Jamie Foxx's recovery is positive. After his hospitalization for an undisclosed medical problem was initially made public back in April, a source tells it that the 55-year-old actor is doing so much better and is getting back to being himself. The source continues, he has been talking to people about his work projects and looking forward to the future. He is appreciative of how well his recuperation is progressing, as the actor has recently been spotted moving around in Chicago, Illinois, where he has been healing. Fans have been made aware of Foxx's improved health. For the first time since being admitted to the hospital in early July, the actor was observed when he was spotted cruising down the Chicago River in a big boat. The Oscar winner appeared vivacious and content as he waved to admirers in pictures and a video that TMZ got. A nearby boat hailed Foxx with cheers when it spotted the star. Soon after, a Chicago-based fan shared a video on Instagram revealing that the Ray actor had found his mother's bag, which she had earlier in the day misplaced. The user captioned the video, "Mom lost her bag in Chicago today. Jamie Foxx found it and brought it to her and he said he feels good, y'all. God is good." After giving the woman her purse back, who looked to be on a city bike tour, the footage shows Foxx getting into a sizable black SUV. She yelled, "Thank you, Jamie," as Foxx accelerated away. His 29-year-old daughter Karine broke the news of Foxx's hospitalization on April 12th when she posted about it on social media. A month later, Karine disclosed that her father had left the Atlanta hospital where he had been receiving care and recovering for weeks. So much so that, according to Karine, her father was healthy enough to play pickleball, one of his favorite sports. Foxx checked into a physical therapy center in Chicago after leaving the hospital and has stayed there ever since. Along with the recent reports of seeing Foxx, he also tweeted for the first time in 4 months to remember a nice summer day. Boat living, joining at Brown Sugar Bin and celebrating summer, the tweet reads, "Remain fortunate." Foxx has been supported throughout the process by his friends, family, and fellow actors. At the American Black Film Festival in Miami Beach last month, Ed chatted with the actors they cloned Tyrone co-stars, and John Boyega said that he missed seeing the star get to enjoy the movie's huge debut screening. "We just wish him the best," Boyega said. "I wanted him to show up here, but I know he's dealing with what he's dealing with." Boyega said that he hasn't yet had an opportunity to speak with Foxx, but he continued, "I've been calling, and I'm just going to keep on calling. He had better answer. Jamie, get moving." Co-star Teyonah Parris recalls working with Foxx on site and how he energized the crew and cast during filming. "We had so much fun, and he's just such a lively person and he brings such an energy to the set," she gushed. "Jamie deserves complete recovery and healing. He's simply so great," she continued. "It was a true privilege to collaborate with him. Along with John, he is incredibly kind both as an actor and a person. I was fortunate to work on this project with so many dope men, especially dope men of color, and it was a blast. He is covertly responsible for a lot of people's success in Hollywood and music," she continued. "Jamie is a unicorn, and if you broadcast an entire show on him, you'd be astonished how many people had been duped because they went by Jamie's house and invited him over to play the piano or make some beats or do some music. I don't know where he had the energy to do it after the gigs and the parties. But because he would be on the mic and singing, I'm sure I went out with him a few times. You just finished a 2-hour-long gig and you're still performing in the club. He is there for the real deal, and I only hope the best for him."